So folks, as you can see over here, we have taken around half kg of mutton meat. So first we have taken a pan and now we need to dry roast and grind the masala. So let's see what are the ingredients required. So here we have taken around 15 Kashmiri red chilies, 4 short red chilies, and now let's toss them till it gets nice and crispier. Here goes 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let's toss it again till it gets nice and crispier. Make sure not to burn. And now here goes 10 to 12 black peppercorns. And to this here goes 8 cashews. And here goes 8 almonds. And now let's give it a quick mix till it gets nice brown and crispier. And now over here, before it goes into the grinder, we need to add few of the ingredients. So now let's take around 8 garlic flakes. And over here we have taken pinch of tamarind, the star anise, cloves. We have taken around 4 cloves and 2 sticks of cinnamon. Those are 1 inch each. 1 finely sliced onion. Wow. Here goes half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Check this out folks. This is where all the magic happens. Now let's transfer all of these ingredients into the grinder to blend into a very fine masala for the mutton gravy. Meanwhile, when the masala is getting ready for the mutton gravy, let's cook the mutton meat. So over here we have taken the pressure cooker. To this let's add a little bit of oil. And now here goes finely chopped garlic, finely chopped ginger, 1 finely chopped onion, and now let's saute till we get rid of the raw flavor. And now to this goes 2 finely chopped tomato, and now let's saute the tomato. Before it gets mushy, let's add the mutton meat into it. So folks, over here we have taken very tender mutton meat. This is the Bandur Kuri meat. It's very tender and it takes a couple of whistles to get cooked. And now to this goes 1 cup of water. And now let's saute it. And now as you can see here folks, the mutton meat has started bubbling up. And now let's put on the lid. Once it starts coming to the boil, then only you put on the lid. And now here goes the whistle. Let it cook up to 3 whistles and it completely depends upon your mutton meat tenderness. If it's hard, then you can cook up to 5 or 6 whistles. It's completely left up to you folks. And now let's wait till the 3 whistles. So folks, here we have cooked the mutton meat up to 3 whistles, and now it's been a while and the pressure cooker has cooled down. Now let's open the lid and see how the mutton has cooked. Check it out folks. So folks, once the mutton meat is cooked, now let's switch on the gas, and now to this we are going to add the leftover masala broth. And now let's saute. Meanwhile, till mutton meat comes to a boil, let's prepare the tempering for the red mutton gravy. So we have taken a kadai, and to this we are going to add the oil. And now to this we are going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee for nice flavor and aroma. Wow. And now to the kadai goes 1 finely chopped onion. And now folks, saute the onions till it gets rid of the raw flavor, as well as till it turns slight brown and crispier. Make sure not to burn them. Meanwhile, when the onions are getting fried in the kadai, over here in the cooker, a mutton meat is just coming to a boil with the leftover masala water what you have added. Let the mutton meat come to a boil properly, and then let's continue the next process. And now over here, I think the onions are fried and it has turned slight brown. And now it's time to add the masala. And now folks, let's add the masala. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look at that. Wow. And now folks, over here we need to saute the masala properly till we get rid of the raw flavor, and till it changes its color from red to slight brown, which means the masala has been properly roasted with the oil, ghee and the onions what we have added, and then it's ready to meet with the meat. And now folks, it's been about another 5 minutes, and as you can see over here, the masala has started oozing out oil around the corners. Check it out folks, and this is what we wanted. And folks, finally here goes the mutton meat. And now folks, let's saute the masala. And check out the consistency folks, it's not runny, it's thick as shown over here, and this is the consistency what we wanted. And now let's check the salt, and then let's bring the gravy to a boil. And now folks, when the gravy comes to boil, let's add the kasuri methi. Oh ho ho ho, check it out folks. And now folks, let's transfer the mutton curry from the kadai into the bowl. Oh ho 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 ho. And finally folks, as you can see over here, the mutton gravy is ready to serve hot with the neer dosa or with your favorite chapati, roti, whatever you like.